Assuring proper patient foot placement in the traction boot will secure the patient's foot when traction is needed. The following steps will help you achieve proper foot placement in the boot. Attach the boot assembly to the fine traction assembly by placing the boot prong into the hole on the fine traction assembly. A pin will drop in and click into place. Before the patient's foot can be positioned in the traction boot, a few steps must be completed for proper alignment in the boot. First, loosen the middle strap of the traction boot by releasing strap ratchet assembly found here on the back of the boot, and release tension by lowering ratchet assembly to bottom of boot. Now you can pull outward on the middle strap to loosen. If the buckles are not released, open the 3 buckles by squeezing tabs and lace straps over exterior of the boot. Before placing the patient's foot in the traction boot, it must be first placed in the traction boot disposable pad. Instructions for placement are located on the disposable pad and will follow this sequence. Before you begin, please note where numbers are located on the pad. Start by positioning pad under the patient's foot with instructions side down and heel positioned at the opening. Next, fold pad against bottom of foot. Wrap section number 1 over patient ankle. Then wrap section number 2 over section number 1 and secure with hook and loop straps. Next, wrap section number 3 over patient's calf. Then wrap section number 4 over section number 3 and secure with hook and loop straps. Lastly, secure upper ankle by folding section 5 over previously folded sections and fastening with hook and loop straps. Now you may position padded foot into traction boot assembly as follows. Begin by placing patient foot into boot so heel rests against the foot plate, and foam pad shown here is as close to the patient's calf as possible. Next, buckle middle strap. Ensure strap is directly over top of the ankle. At the rear of the boot, tighten middle strap using strap ratchet assembly until ankle is secure. Finally, buckle toe and calf straps and tighten by pulling slack straps. Assure all buckles are centered as shown here. Following these steps will secure the patient's foot when traction is needed.